The 20th century belonged to government. The 21st century belongs to whoever can build functional systems faster than nations can negotiate them. The world is not breaking, it is reorganizing. Borders are fragmenting, alliances are reshuffling, supply chains are becoming political. We are entering a new world order where power doesn't come from land, it comes from the systems people depend on. And here is the quiet truth the diplomat in Geneva, Davos, and New York won't say publicly. Founders now build more functional systems than governments. I mean, think about it. Social networks have more citizens than most nations. AI labs influence geopolitics more than think tanks. EV and energy companies are redesigning entire climate policies. Today, the entrepreneurs who build the rails, be it digital, financial, energy, security, hold more leverage than many states. This isn't disruption, it is sovereignty migration. That is from governments to entrepreneurs. And that raises the central question of this episode. That is who architects the next global order. Not politicians, not institutions, not treaties that take 10 years to negotiate and 10 days to break. The next global order will be built by founders who understand systems thinking, that is, infrastructure, capital flows, AI governance, climate resilience, talent mobility, and narrative power. These builders don't replace countries again, they augment them by creating new layers of stability above political volatility. That is why platforms like Davos, WEF, and TED need new thinkers. They know the next generation of nation builders will come from entrepreneurship, not bureaucracy. So, what is the solution? Well, founders must stop aiming to scale companies and start aiming to build frameworks that nations can plug into. Now, this is the evolution from startups to systems, from markets to societies, from disruption to governance, from innovation to legitimacy. Your company becomes a micro state. Your users become citizens. Your product becomes public infrastructure. Your platform becomes an economy, small at first, then suddenly geopolitical. And this is where global power actually lies. The thing is, if you build the systems people rely on, you shape the world they live in. This episode isn't a prediction, it is an operating manual for builders who will influence the next century more than any elected official. The new global order won't be negotiated, it will be engineered, and the engineers will be founders. Share this with your network because I know it is helpful.